Good day everyone. Today's topic is precipitation titration. Precipitation titration. Precipitation titration involves the formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate during titration process. It is also called as argentometry because here silver ion, that is argentinum, will involve in the method of determination of halides. Determination of halides present in a sample. Present in a sample. The principle involved in this titration is silver nitrate will react with halide. Here example is sodium chloride and results in formation of silver chloride. This is the precipitate, and sodium nitrate. This will be white in color. This is the principle behind precipitation titration. Precipitation titration is carried in two methods. First one, direct method, and the second one, indirect method. Coming to direct method, sample is analyzed. Sample is analyzed with standard solution of silver nitrate, and the reading are noted to calculate the amount of halide present in the sample. In case of indirect titration, excess of precipitant that is silver nitrate is added, and that is the excess is back titrated in case of indirect method. Let us see the types of precipitation titrations. Coming to types, there are several types. Among them, Morse method, Fajon's method, Volhardt's method, Gay-Lussac method, mercury metric method. These are the different types of precipitation titrations.